everyone, Antoinette here. Welcome to Decorating Anne's Place. Today I'm really excited to be hosting the Pink Summer Decor Challenge. I do host this seasonally, and my co-hosts are the amazing Shelley of Pretty Inspired Decor, Sule of MystyleMycolours, and Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY, also the Decor Lady. I'm going to link all of their channels down below in my description box, along with a playlist. I hope you will watch everyone's video showing how they decorate their home or an area of their home in pink for summer. And that was simply the challenge, just to decorate any area of your home in pink in your style. You're more than welcome to make a DIY and include that in your display. So I'm going to show you what I did. It's here just off to my left in the family room. It's in mostly soft pinks and it's really feminine and really pretty, I think. I hope that you'll like it. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up, and I always love your respectful comments. I do apologize. It is becoming harder and harder for me to respond to comments on a timely basis, but I will always respond to a comment. It may not always be right away, so I do apologize for that. And if you haven't already, if you like my content, if you would so subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful. That helps me out so much. So now I'm going to show you how I decorated in pink for summer for 2021. The very first item that I'm using on my pink display is this patterned scarf. Now this scarf has a bit of this pink here, and it seems to be some sort of animal print, I believe, with some maroon. I'm using this just to offset all the soft pink that I'll be using on this display. The next item is this gray picture frame that I use quite often in my decorating. And what I do is I switch out the paper in the middle there, and I use a color that goes with my display. And this gray picture frame goes nicely with this painting here. And then the next item is this pink box that I'm going to be using. You can see it was purchased at HomeSense for only $7.99. I love boxes, and I have one just like this one in black, which I've used on my bee display in my family room. Here we go. We can see that it's got these really pretty gold dots on it. I love dots, and this gold trim all around, and then these pink and white stripes on the side. My favorite white crochet doily just hanging off the corner of the box. This small little pitcher and bowl with the cutest little pink bow right there. And then I've placed off to the side here this absolutely gorgeous, delicious looking crystal pink lotus flower. It's beautiful. It's a votive holder, so I will be putting a votive in there shortly. But I just love it, and I'll show you that it is also from HomeSense. Here we go, and only $19.99. Some of you may recall a video I did. It was part of a DIY challenge where I made these candles. I wrapped them up in twine, and then I simply just hot glued these butterfly Christmas ornaments right to the candle. And they look really pretty on this display. Very pink, very feminine. Then I'm going to add one last piece to this display. This really incredibly gorgeous smelling 3-wick candle, also from HomeSense. atop this little candle holder, and I've just placed the lid down there just so that the scent does come out a bit without me having to light it. And the scent is called, it's Balance Pomegranate and Plum. I wish you could smell it. Oh my goodness, very, very pretty. And this is our whole display. It's quite simple, it's not overdone. Very pretty in pink, a bit whimsical, elegant with our crystal and our pretty pieces. Let me know what you think. I would really appreciate it. And again, I always thank my lovely co-hosts, Shelley, Shule, and Tammy for co-hosting with me every season in the Pink Decor Challenge. And thank you to everyone again who has participated. I cannot wait to see what you've come up with. And thank you for watching.